to my YouTube channel, Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is Nasi Lemak. Nasi means rice. Lemak means the coconut cream. So I'm going to cook the rice with the coconut cream. Okay guys, when you cook Nasi Lemak, must have a chili sambal. So today I am cooking sambal prawn with eggs. This is all my ingredients. This is 1 whole chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of blended onions, 4 tablespoons of dried blended chilies, 1 inch of belacan is a dry shrimp, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tamarind water. I'm using half kilo of fresh prawns and the mixed eggs, the chicken egg and the quail egg. This is an extra ingredient for nasi lemak, the fried peanuts and the cut cucumber. Okay, this is an additional for the nasi lemak. I like to fry the chicken wings, so I'm going to add in salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to mix it. Okay, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Just mix it like this. Okay, and the 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Just mix it. Okay, it's ready to fry. This is the washed rice, 2 cups. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in the 2 stalks of pandan leaves. And 200 ml of coconut cream. And additional water to cook the rice. Okay. I'm going to stir it. Okay, I'm ready to cook in the rice cooker, just like this. Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm going to fry the chicken. For an oil, must have a lot of oil because this is deep fried. Okay, while waiting for the chicken to fry, I'm going to cook the chili sambal. Okay, I add in 4 tablespoons of oil. This is garlic. This is a dry shrimp, belacan. And now I add in the blended onion. I add in salt. going to add in the chili. I can cook two at one time, frying the chicken and the sambal. Chicken is ready in the sambal until it cooks. Until you can see the oil coming out. See, you can see guys, the oil start coming out. So it means the ingredients already cooked. Now I'm going to put the sugar. I add in the tamarind water, just a bit, a little bit, not so much. It's up to your taste. You want it a little bit sour, you can add in more. See guys, my chili. Okay, make sure of the pieces before I'm going to add in the prawn. Mix up. The sambal already cooked. So now I'm going to add in the first prawn. Have to cover up for 2 minutes for the prawn to cook. The chicken also going to cook. So they use time to at one time, 2 dishes at one time. Okay. Wow. So good. Okay, so the prawn is already cooked. I'm going to add in the eggs. The eggs already cooked, so I just mix for a while and off the fire. Two eggs. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to off the fire. This is the sambal prawn with eggs. It's done. Wait for the chicken to fry and it's prepared. Okay, the chicken also almost done. Okay, the chicken is already cooked. Okay, now I'm going to check the rice. It's already cooked. See, rice with the coconut cream. Nasi Lemak. Okay, it's cooked, so I'm going to prepare. Okay, this is the Nasi Lemak. An additional fried chicken wings, sambal egg with prawns. Hope you enjoy watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment See you soon. Bye.